Welcome everyone. Today I'm gonna show you how to do cheesy garlic bread with smoked bacon. If you like garlic bread and you like comfort food, this is the ultimate garlic bread what you can do at home. Let's go through the ingredients and we start to cook. Okay, we got here 2 slices of lovely sourdough. I got 4 rashes of bacon. I got here some dry mozzarella, which is not actually dry, it's medium. I got here a bulb of garlic, 120 grams of butter, parmesan cheese, and lovely fresh chives. Let's start to cook. We're gonna start by putting the butter in the microwave for 30 seconds, just a little bit to get softened up. I got here a pan for the bacon. I'm gonna put it on the stove and I'm gonna leave it to get hot. The butter is melting and now we're gonna cut very small the bacon. Smoked bacon again. It's very important to be smoked because it will be much more intense flavor. You definitely need to try this recipe. It's awesome. Your kids will love it, that's for sure, or you can have it with a nice bowl of mac and cheese, whichever you prefer. Okay, now this will go in the pan. You can see I got dry pan, no oil, no nothing. I don't put nothing in it. This goes in the pan for 5-6 minutes. Until the bacon is cooking, I took out the butter. It's melted a little bit too much. I mean too much, more than I would like it to be melted. We're gonna take the garlic, just gonna crush it like this, so we can peel it much easier. You can see, you just take it off. It's that easy. You don't need to spend a lot of time peeling garlic anymore. Okay, I got here 3 cloves of garlic. I got the garlic press and I'm gonna put one at a time straight into the butter. And the third one, all the garlic goes in. I'm gonna slice very small the chives. Put the chives in the butter. I got here some black pepper. You can put cayenne pepper if you like it spicy. Always, when I do garlic butter, I always put a touch of olive oil. I like the flavor a lot. And I got here some nice Maldon sea salt. It's the best salt in the world, to be honest with you. I'm gonna take a spoon now, mix it nicely, combine all together. And our garlic butter is ready. Okay, the bacon is 2 more minutes. I'm gonna just break the mozzarella now. You just break it like this in pieces. This anyway will melt, so it doesn't really matter how big the pieces are, they will melt anyway. Like this. Now we get ready with the parmesan cheese as well. Got the 2 slices of bread. I'll see you when the bacon is ready. I got the bacon ready as well. Make sure you cook it to maximum. Don't burn it, but make sure it's crispy because this will be underneath the cheese. So if you leave it, it's not gonna really cook in the oven when you cook the bread. It's not gonna cook more. So I'm gonna put this on the side, the chopping board, and I'm gonna take a tray. So I got here a lovely tray. I'm gonna put the bread in. I go in first with the butter. Make sure you cut the bread quite chunky. The sourdough or the ciabatta is the best bread for this. So we go with the garlic butter. Now we're gonna put the crispy bacon all over. I like a lot of bacon on it. Try to don't waste nothing on the sides. And I'm gonna put this fat from the bacon as well on. No, it's not very healthy and it's not a diet recipe, but I like it like this. I'm gonna put 1 more spoon of garlic on top. Garlic butter. Now I'm gonna put a little bit of mozzarella on each slice. Not too much, because if you put too much it's gonna get wet, the bread. So don't put too much. And now we go with parmesan cheese. Be generous with the parmesan. Okay, we put this on. 1 more touch of Maldon salt on top. And of course, 1 more touch of olive oil. This already looks phenomenal. Imagine after this is cooked. Oh my god. Now goes in the oven. The oven is preheated on 200 degrees. I'm gonna put this for 10 minutes and we check on it how it looks after. This is how it looks after 12 minutes in the oven. I bet it's super delicious. Let's take it out of the tray and we do a taste test. Thank you everyone for watching this episode. I hope you did enjoy it. Now it's time for the taste test. So delicious. Proper comfort food. I will see you on next week with a new comfort food dish.